Hello fellas, once again I have received the Dewalt Drill with the bad check. I know I'm getting many of them. I have 3 of them now in a line waiting for the new checks. Okay, for this one the check is just worn out, I think. I'll try to tighten the Allen key. When the Allen key is tightened, you can get it fixated like that, put it on a bench and trying to hammer it. Now as we have the drill vise, I will try to screw it that. We'll try to use extender. Got it. Now I'll just clean some dust from here. Okay, taking the new check. Mounting it. Of course we can tighten the Allen key. Tighten the new check hardly. Okay, I think that will be good, and we have the new check on a nicely used old drill. That's all.